Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm SuNN, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Hey everybody, check out this cute little box. Folds flat, but it will hold a plethora of things. Really good for perfume bottles or lots of candies. And I kind of did it up like a little brick wall here, which I think is kind of cool. This is called In Good Taste, the pattern paper, and gray granite is the cardstock. And I'm going to do it in a holiday box. So this would be awesome for a masculine gift. But today we're going to make a holiday one. I have a piece of real red, sized 10.5 by 8.5. So 10.5 long and 8.5 wide. And I'm going to score on the long side at a half, 2.5, 8, and 10. Flipping it around, I'm going to score at a half, 2.5, 4.5, and 6.5. All right, I'm going to fold and burnish all of my score lines. This is real red cardstock. Paper snips. All right, I'm going to wedge on the long side here, and then I'm going to cut this little square and then the rectangle off. Now I'm going to cut up all of the score lines to the second score line. Okay, so now I'm going to do some figuring. So if this I want to keep at the back, so that means that, so if this is the back, I want this flap, and then, so these two would be the side flaps, and the middle one we're going to take right off. So let's do that right now. Now this one, so it's 2 inches. I'm going to make it right straight down the middle at 1 inch, and the same with this one. I'm just going to eyeball this. And then I'm going to wedge out. Okay, so since we've got that, we're pretty much going to do the opposite. So I'm going to leave this one and take this one off, and then half those two. Leave that one and half that one. All right, we just need to wedge these. And then just on these little corners, I'm just going to give them a little wedge too. Done. Okay, so this is the top of the box. And then, so what I'm going to do is I am going to use, and I've already sort of pre-stuck my Plush Poinsettia Specialty Designer Series paper, or specialty paper. It's fuzzy, so it has like velvet on it. And I've cut these to 5 1/4 tall and 1 3/4 wide. And you can see the adhesive behind them. I used Stampin' Seal Plus. I'm not too worried about it though. So you need 4 of those, and then 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. All I have to do, so this is Stampin' Seal Plus. All I have to do is, I always have to advance the adhesive. So this is going to be the bottom, and this is going to be the top. Oh wow, it's very plush. Oh, I love the feeling. Okay, so woohoo! This is called Metallic Mesh Ribbon. It's stunning, and I thought it would look gorgeous on this package with a very large bow. So here I am going to cut a little bit. Here comes Quinn, because that's what happens when I have ribbon out. All right. Wow. This stuff creates the most floofiest, gorgeous bows ever. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. So I have, sometimes I make a whole bunch of labels and just make them with white cardstock, and then I can sort of pick and choose what I'm going to use on a project. So I thought I would use this one, but sort of lower down, and it's just because this is sort of scrolly and stuff. I thought I would string it though with some, I have some white thread here, and I'm pretty sure this is from Paper Pumpkin. It looks like it, but anyway. I have the tag buffet here, and then I'm just going to use the to and the from. And I thought I would do that in Real Red. So I'll tell you a little secret. I have been told that if you stamp with, and I don't know if this is true or not, but if you take a piece of card and ink up your white or your clear stamps first with pink, and then you go in with your red, and then if you use your stamp cleaner, it doesn't stain so badly. So how about that? Not too bad. Just a little tip. That's what I heard. I was told. Don't know if it's true. Okay, instead of licking the string, which I normally would because of COVID, I'm gonna take one of these. These are like, I think they're for braces, I think. So I'm gonna loop the white string in my little blue loop here. Then I'm going to loop it through so that I just didn't want to have to lick the end of that string to poke it through this hole. And I don't need very much of this. And I just want you to know that my cat, Quinn, is like 2 feet that way, and he is exceptionally interested in what I'm doing. Because you know, cats. Alrighty, so now I'm just going to slip this white thread underneath this big fat bow. Tie a little knot. I do want it to hang down a little bit, but not too much. Love it. Perfect. So that is my share for today. A little, it's quite the ornate box. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you next time. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.